And welcome to CelloAccount Online tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add opening stock for a product in CelloAccount Online. Opening stock is the amount and value of a product that a particular business location has available for sale, or use at the beginning of an accounting period. There are 3 different ways in which you can add product opening stock in CelloAccount. 1. When you are migrating system from third-party application to CelloAccount. 2nd, while creating new product in CelloAccount. 3rd, when you're adding purchases in CelloAccount for a product. In this tutorial we will explore first a method to add opening stock. Please watch how to add purchase in CelloAccount tutorial video to learn about third method. Let's see how we can add product opening stock after system migration. To begin with adding opening stock for a particular product. Let's do that by going to Products menu and then choosing List Product. Let's assume that opening stock for a product we are going to add is already exist in the list. Type the product name in search box to filter the product from the list, for which we will add the opening stock. Click on Action button and choose Add or Edit opening stock to open a dialog box. Input opening stock quantity here. System will calculate product cost automatically based on value entered while creating this product. Click Save button and you are done. System will reflect the stock on hand quantity for this product. To view the changes in stock on hand quantity for this product, click on the product from the list product to open a view dialog. To add opening stock while creating new product in CelloAccount, click Add button. And fill all the necessary information related to the new product. Once you are done entering all the required information, click on Save and Add Opening Stock button. Here, you can input opening stock quantity. Type opening stock quantity. System will calculate product cost automatically based on value entered while creating this product. Click Save button and you are done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. To watch more tutorials, please